Hello, welcome to a new video. So today I will make some bookmarks. I will make 3 designs and I already made some sketches, so I will show you that. And I will use Procreate for illustrating them. And I need to design them and I will print them out and laminate them. And I will not make them too big. They will be 16 with 5 centimeters. Maybe I will offer 2 options with rounded corners and straight corners, and with or without a tassel. So let's get started. So these are the sketches that I did. So I will make one fruit design, flower, and one cute animal. So I will probably not do birds, I will do a sheep design, but I will see if that will turn out okay. And for the fruits already, I will use my old illustration. I will just redraw it so it fit the bookmark, and flowers are really simple to do, so I will first do the fruit one. I will redraw this illustration that I did a while ago. I really like the colors and I think this will look pretty as a bookmark.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out, when I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back, what would happen if I never found you. Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes. I'm left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good, keep my covenant with you. No longer will I look back to the sin I did. Surely your love and your goodness will forever be. 'Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
So I'm at the studio now. I finished all the designs and I really like how they look. So now I'm gonna put them all on one page in Affinity Designer, and I think that I can fit multiple bookmarks. And I need to do a test print because I'm not sure how to set the printer to print on both sides. And I will show you the laminator that I use and the laminating pouches. So let's try to do the test print first. So here are all the 3 designs that I did. So I have this laminator. It's from Fellows, if I'm reading that correctly, I'm not sure. So I actually wanted to laminate the stickers, so my boyfriend bought me this for my birthday, but the lamination peels off from the stickers. I don't think that's a good way to make the stickers waterproof, so I will order a spray for that, and I will use this for bookmarks and maybe some other projects. And for the laminating sheets, I just got this, but I'm not sure if they are good or not. I will definitely try some other brands also. And because when I was printing on the stickers, I will show you actually. So you can see there are arrows, so you don't put the pouches on the wrong way, but this didn't disappear when I was printing it on the sticker paper, but when I did the test with the other paper and it was gone, so I'm not sure if that depends also on the paper. So we'll see now if everything will be all right. I will now turn this on so it can warm up. The laminating pouches that I have are 18 microns, so I will turn it here, and when this turns on, it's warm enough for laminating. For printing the bookmarks, I will use the same paper that I use for my art prints. It's premium matte paper, 220 GSM. So first I will do the test print. Let's do one more test print because I messed this one up and I'm not sure if it's sheep or it's wrong. One more. Print it like this. Yes, okay, got it. So when it prints on this side, you need to reverse it. Okay, it's probably an easier way, but I don't know. I clicked to print on both sides and he just didn't do that, so I don't know. I will try now to really print it. and then we can practice our cutting, because I'm really scared that I will mess up when I cut this. So now the other side. Ta-da! So now I will laminate them and then we can cut them out. So we just put this into the laminating pouch. So with the arrows facing down. I will leave it here a bit to cool down, and then I will actually go in a second time just to be sure that everything is laminated properly. That's an extra step. I don't know if that helps with anything or if it's necessary, but I will do it one more time. So this is how they look like, nice and shiny. They're so pretty. So, and the arrows have disappeared completely, so that's really great. So I'm using the laminator and the laminating pouches from the same brand, so they should work well together. I hope that I'll be able to cut them nicely because I'm not that great with cutting. So I already practiced my cutting, and yeah, I suck with the cutting. So maybe I should have left. I added 1 millimeter extra when I was designing this, but maybe I should have added 1 or 2 more because of the cutting, but maybe it will turn out fine. We'll see. All right, so they're done. I'm so happy with them. They're so cute. Aren't they so adorable? I love them. They feel so nice. They're so shiny, and the colors turned out great. And yeah, I don't know which one I like more. I'm not sure. I really don't know. They're all so pretty. So they're printed on both sides. I will show you everything up close so you can see them better, and let me know which one is your favorite. I really don't know. I don't know. I really like the fruit one. It's so happy and bright, but the shapes are so cute and the flowers are so pretty. They turned out better than I thought they would. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like if you liked it and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Goodbye!